Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to share with you all a really simple and easy way that you can make homemade freeze pops using fresh fruit and other ingredients. So, let's go. Okay guys, we're going to go over everything that I'm going to be using to make my coconut and pineapple popsicles. I have some frozen pineapple chunks. I have 2 bananas, ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter they are. I have some coconut milk and I'm using Goya. We have a funnel for our popsicle bags here, and I'm going to be using a little bit of agave sweetener to sweeten up my popsicles. If you want to use honey or regular sugar, you can. And again, I mentioned my little bags here. These are some Ozero bags that I did purchase from Amazon. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and start to put these popsicles together. Okay guys, for the first flavor, which is the pineapple coconut, I'm adding the pineapple into my Ninja blender here along with the ripe bananas. Okay, remember, the riper they are, the sweeter they are. Go ahead and get those bananas in there. Now we're going to add in the coconut milk. I'm going to add in a little bit of water, which is going to help them freeze the way they should, along with some agave nectar. Okay, you can use honey, you can also use sugar, you can use what you want to sweeten your freeze pops. Okay, so here we are here. Everything blended up beautifully. So this little funnel came with the freeze pop bags, but I felt it easier to pour the liquid into the bags as opposed to using the funnel. You know, it just helped with less spillage. But no worries, if you do spill some, just go ahead and rinse your bags off, because you can seal these at the top. Okay, they have like a little Ziploc closure which is at the top of the bags, and you can seal these bags. Now if you're interested in getting these bags, I will post the link down below to where I got the bags. Now I'm not affiliated with Amazon or none of that, but I will share that link down below with you guys. So like I said, go ahead and fill those up, and once you fill them up, just go ahead and seal it and just rinse that off at the top there to clean everything off. Okay, then get these into the freezer to set, which should take anywhere from like 8 hours to overnight, or however long you want to leave them in there. It's totally up to you. So I did go ahead and make all of my other flavors off camera. I made blueberries and cream. I also made some blue raspberry using Kool-Aid, and we made some kiwi watermelon using fresh watermelon and kiwi. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed this video of me showing you how to make homemade freeze pops, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Later. And also please check down below for those recipes. Later.